Benafit music.
Hey yo, aloba tajakenga muramwa gweno track ababaire hotingenda ababazawo kuba nitwa abaloho baikara mukuwayeta abaking bebera hip hop teta kingdom baitu culture the right vibes to crazy whisper said Nelly said yeah. Bawak rapa bairuka wena drop bars and I'm back like a yakabali gang I don't the whisper line. My flow so sweet inga gandi kila Switzerland. Bafaki baswaire bona mbasinde kila Swaziland. Ndi moving komoro kwa jana murubari kwelira hamasasa. Garunya flonda wile mwese kanjaki na katunguru chumu. Eno runyo bise mwamizano ya papelo wakelekele. Ifa mkiara sude runyo javambi nkunywegere. Engonza birungo na buliki munyo wese mbere ankuwe. Sone generika don't speak birabinu ukafoka missionary. Kuruka bunyero Uganda mpaka kuli mu New Jersey.
Alright. So that's a very beautiful track all there from Whisper. Hey, omwana wakabaliga omurusura. Nuko tugambira hangiriza gutamba.
Hangiriza omwebingwa, hangiriza
ekinungi, ekitulekere mirabere.
Hangiriza kabumba omulira iguguru akufaniga kungu muka.
Okay, tegereze. Omubito kusabina murubito bito.
Ndiwo ndi mubito yara lyango kulihura nyo.
Robinson ko mwiswa. Omubito.
Yego. Ombito wengoma. Ombito wengoma.
Otagabaga ngo oli prince.
Ganyo ndi mubito.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello kali omezi buliuta emerereta mukama yole kwa na kulinda amabara Joel tika simiri akika mswazima omwana wa kaka lero tuina extended broadcast with the comrades and friends one Bulisa newsroom and the correspondent of Biso FM. Baba also bakwa mugi
Wakimandire media will always be media. Utukubandi kwira the other way around. Listen newsroom and TV Uganda. We are one family.
We're always connecting.
Yeah, we're always connecting. Kyokra Shiroki Kuzo surprise. Plays on another extended broadcast.
I get you.
Yeah, first of its kind. Want to call live in the studio of TV Uganda.
Nuko na baba bana bakwa mugi ni babifunao. Baga mawata kufuna.
Kubani wabitunga hona hona.
Kubani mubitunga hona live. Robinson.
Yes.
Ramki abantu live nabo.
Ibenda ya mwero kitara hona na ali mukali tubagonza tubaramukize tena ukangira mwebale muno.
A legendary journalist.
Yeah,
legendary
journalist. Yeah, I'm a legendary.
Akozereba mahuru.
Mamiaka yayeto.
Yes, basing on projects that I've been working with, the experience.
Ati nyowe kugena kweta legendary journalist. Hamukuwa mtongole byo bene bikora mbibere biri nibiyambo bwana buto. Nuko gena gamba amojere katumuhereze kya legendary.
Joelo. Entongole bitumimbeni nkorana bibene konyera abana bali minorist children. Bana kati kutugeza nka love one ikairoha nune konyera abana bali minorist tuba supportinga buli mulingo tukubaha buli kyone kikwetagi wakurura abana abo tubakonyere kandi kigendero cyo tikabakiri nti konyera abana abo kikuteka rulengo runda bonsonga tukwantu ntuombeka Uganda yete yanyenkya abakwaitu tukurura omulembe guro okuruga baita inagaruka ho mugigi ogundo
okugaruka ahubwo
go tugukonyere tuta so ebe bikaba bigendero byaitu kandi bitusoboire kwikiriza yes.
Robinson abagambira legendary journalist nuko tumweta tutyo amusaya kuzina love one ekintu kyakwasiganya abajumukura buhura
yes place on service international Uganda then by na love one international Uganda
abajungu ba Susan yabo twabaruraka burwani mujambo bwana turaba Judy Odipio
wenda tikano kubirolera hano
bibuye uno kubirolera hano na nyendi mukoto
Tikusora kurugano tabalizira CEO Bernard wa Mwenda
tukiramweta manager Ben Ogo mwana ogo
CEO of project
Bernard wherever you are we respect and salute
Bernard is in South Africa is also running another project Yetukunira kuija hano egaruke ekonyere eyongeremu amaanyi so tukakyemereze kandi tukangiraho
so kyagenda maiso
tulire kimu nti bwe tulina omukono gukonyera abaana bato bano tuteekwa kuyihamu omulimu tuteekwa kukola meki amaanyi so tukujja kukangiraho naijweri tukaba tugezaho coordinating mukama bwetu wabunyoro kitara nitugezaho kurora tukonyere ekintu ekitukukola kino tukyongeremu tutamaanyi so nokama nabo bwakirora tikitukora nikyo kandi nabo bwayikiriza kupataninga naitwe tutakangiraho tukozereyo na tukunira kupataninga na Try Africa kandi yoko mu Try Africa actually bakampa obujournalizibwa tukora nka public relations officer wa Try Africa so nja kusanga ni basobora bingi haba
bijinsa misa obirire munamani legend
Joel kubaire kukora muno
na muno esonga yamani babwesigwa
yes no kukora muno so urabona bwesigwa batu kukora muno so tekwa kukora muno kwegamba tekwa kukora muno yuleke kiki muno babene kigenderwa so kwesanga ati jwe tubenda dansega ogwari mujombo America uyarozere kitukora yagamba no ngenda kweyungaho sobole kitu kino kyongera mu amani.
My next is Police Newsroom. Innocent.
Innocent atuganyira. Ewe mpaka
abok. Abongo bagire mpako.
Of course.
Aboko bali andaye mukama.
Yeah, we are under no kitaki.
Aramkia bagungu mu rugungu tuhule.
Innocent atuganyira mwana wako amugi kandi nzaro byabulisia CEO and founder Police Newsroom. One of the online leading news sites in the Albertine region. Basically, to dealing in 80%, we give local content.
Local content
because we need to serve our people. By nakumanya kiki kufamu muihanga or kiki kufamu mtuweka vyetu.
80% local content.
80% local content.
So innocent. Ugambie local 80% local content. So 20% international.
No.
National.
10% national,
yes.
10% international.
Well,
okay, so even the national is.
What
about when you say Nkegri kwai? Tinki manyire. Nkegri kwai. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a topic and a very simple one, a very brief one, serious point, simple but very serious. To when circumstances when it's happening in Masindi and behind it all, it has been our efforts to ensure that everything goes right, hand in hand to the expectation. We are going to talk about some of this, the child negligence. Abana ba mobile mubarura emberanko kweri since COVID-19 came in, many children have been suffering a lot. Abamobile mubarani batunda mukatali, abamobile mubarani barabye mtaone byenyanya, banu bakurambya sumka wiki, banu bakutera matafali, which is very okay kufuna chikomi. Then there comes another situation, a very tough and alarming situation. Yokunaga abana mu toilet, massive kikwasile fire. I don't know where it's coming from. Obamuze standing it and kekuruga. I don't know where it's coming. We have instance of the other side of Chatiri. We have the instance of Chatiri. We have another instance of Kirasa Kampala. Yes. That's the very worst situation. Robinson, as you legendary journalist, how have you seen this? Ekintu wakiroram angoki kano kitekereza
ekintu kino kirozere nyowe ko muntu nyatunga okwerarikira kwa amani abokuba abana bakunagwa ombinazi bali bana bato kandi bali bana bato abakuzarwa abana baitwana kugamba ensonga ikizire kuletereza kintu kikuletwa omwana azaye omwana omutahiwe
so how do we term it? Premature kwa wataka bagire omwana kuzara omwana mutahiwe.
So ikintu nko kiri kityo baitu njageza okisobora omwana azaye omwana mutahiwe kwegamba omwana akuzara takegondeze So
obundi gambengo na grab by mistake
zikuba by mistake na twalenda by mistake
atali redde kola ki bana twala
kyongeza okusobola yes okusanga obusigaza twekero mwana mutayiwe bazayiro mwana mutayibwako
kandi batakwesobola
tibakwesobola ati obo oli muzaire wekalo kimanyi omwana wange azayiro mwana mutayiwe so ati ano nja kusaba bazayire
Robinson Bazolindo
yes
hali ojja kwika kuterana n'omusajja ogwo n'omusikazi mugenzi wawe musiki mukagenda kwika akutwala enda okayika akumuzaala mu mwana ogwo habakuba nti ngo batakayikire tokuba otakafuna ekitekerezo kigamba no habakini nja kunaga omwana ogwo butere
Mr. Joel kankuweho incidents en last week mbaire paida kyalo kibakweta actually 2 weeks back alangi nya story mbaye tugwe tugenze recovery ngoko eri about this incident so kunkabuzaho nti nkesanga omusigazo myaka 16 akabana asoma mu A3 wetu wemberero heno
ya covid
yes akatweka omwana emyaka 14 bazayiro mwana
so abana bazayiro mwana
yes tunyongeza okumanyisa nti omwana azayiro mwana mugenzi we so hano ati amikumanyisa kinti omuzaire omwana wabana mutekwa kuja kuwataniza n'abaana bano
nibo baina kubana bazaire
actually abazaire babana bana bazaire mwana
baina kuba bazaire babana bana
bazaire babana
so ato ntali mujukuru na wali mwana
bora bakuba bana bani
so for your case ngoku kitamingamu a case ogitwaire halevo ya omuzaire nibo batakufayo
no abazaire tinkusobola kuba blaminga baitu nyo kinkusobola kugambira abazaire bafeeyo muno kuterera abaana kandi nekindi abazaire kibaina kumanya nti baina kugonza abaana baabo nibakyali bato omanyira omwana gwakukuraho nagenda omwana buli mwana gwakakukuraho so abazaire buli bijunaliza wanyu kugonza abaana abo nimukyali bato nimukyali nabo
now the other side of police are innocent you kuruga police should we take it tingu police batale tugambe tingu sikira kwa ya incident ito nti ba police bakuzanga ni bamunaga maize nsuma kindi to Syria it can happen probably
kubantu kona that this is not at the level of the district but in most cases it's a national issue kuyogamba ngo just picking a scope
actually it is not a national it is an international issue last time kikaba mu Tunisia bana nkafuna papura wa Tunisia ni bagamba bale bana 19 abazayiwe ni banagwa so ito tulege
innocent brings us a point from Lisa
now katwa and at district level obono kuchokebete bitulum olikubantu anti most cases okwagia bana bato. Okay, I'm putting this blame on parents. Reason being, bana vechera somero, these cases have been down. Most of pregnant so synchronicity. Chonke bana veli kwa mugi. Meaning go divine muntu akusaku bana baterera. Maybe parents are busy. We can't tell. But kubantu comparing, it's our work as parents kwananti omwana tumukulize na manya kikiki ali and most cases abazaire ali tukola gensobi tukwikaza abana kubaterera
so mwana counseling and guidance tikyalo abokuba kusanga muzaire ali busy akora guli mwana nabatiri but and another issue is nkuloranti as the government tutongere kutamumani kuba abana bona bainaki rights. So now the government also is coming in.
Some loophole. Alo kusanga ndo abalumo mwana mwisiki.
Yep.
Girl child matters. Baby remember these things happens because of two parties.
The boy and the girl. And actually that's why I remember last week they celebrated the girl child.
Yeah. So toksa toja kungama mwana mwisikaja kutwala na tatere nini mmoja.
Tikisoro kubakana na diniwera mais.
Mkimansangu abazaire tulina kuro mulingo kwandoli ngabana bayo. Boss mmoja mwisiki. Tutabyambya rubajulumu mwana mwisiki tumwerinde otarubata mukiro mujo na rubata mukiro.
Unagena kura Jack Chan action movie ati mumupira
noja kusanga ngo omwana mwojo ajafuna any opportunity yo kumiti mu mwisiki. Because we could bakora kumufuga. So that's why the problem is.
No baragenda nyuma yebitoke.
Weka stakeo kirakora okirawo so kikulora nti abazaire tukwatanize hamu Ava much part of blame government bakingura omasomero bakole but what role have you played as a parent? Kuranto omwana tiyatwarenda. N'okusanga omwana takwesobora ali muto. Nsanga ida bakwatagihiremu nagama kafuta kuzati mwana kankole kamura at least mwijuna ukwata kusakubona murolera. Ano sangangu nabazaire tukumonitoringa abana endo batayabu. Omwana warugira nagenzirenka. Hana alokusanga abazaire obundi omwana halaki ali muto amusinkimo anko wahaye tomanyimo anko wayarata injuka muntu undi tajja kurole omwana wawe
kandi wakumurolere
nikibasanta abazaire if we can let us get the way rounds of looking after our children iwo kuzire kwikao mwana wo kwenda gendeka. Remember this is a journey kandi kasanga omwana ubona abaire mwenda kozereki necheja yehinduka becomes a parent. No sana mubiri guhinduka face ubundi nehinduka because abasenze n'umusayi kukubanza
nabani nkanyanya mu face
no sana mwana muto baitu akusana muntu mukuru so niho kurora ati abazaire mukwehara bino byona
tukubisekera ke birumuri baitu embera yo eri serious. Robinson,
Yes.
ekisinga kuntayibanza the last instance ebayeho.
Yes.
Buwa mtampikira mu toilet omwana.
Ego.
The parent obuzata kakwe kuzokawo.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
issue ya kila saa over kia
Yeah, sure, Captain.
Yes.
The parent has not been seen anywhere.
Yes.
What do you think on that point?
Is it a take to where I'm working or my idea? Just
Your idea.
my idea. What could be the next step? Nyowe kanyoki kusobola kugamba. Tuwete abekulembezi. Abokuwa kama bulirede. Kwataniza naitu. Na projects ezimu ka Love One. Population Service International na abantu abanda bentasobole kusobora n'abantu abanda bakimura abantu kinomu nabo balirede kujja kukonyera hansonge ekyo. Yes. No
kama obukonyezi buraba bwingi butano utorekarate ngu tokutegeza ati kijja kurugayo nikigamba jolunda zarakana kankanage mtoyi nuko baiki bakakonyere barakayayo.
No, kitugeza okora. Tugenda kwikiriza jolo ofune kitekerezo kuzaro mwana unage mtoyi.
Your plan, the way forward is on sensitizing the masses now.
Yes, our way forward is to sensitize
The masses.
About the dangers of throwing those kids in the toilet or toilets. Yes, actually we have taken a step to kire at the level of finding out abana batwayenda mu bichweka. Abana batwayenda mu bichweka bokuba bakutugamba abana batwayenda batakakire emyaka ey'okuzala bali buchweka kama bali buchweka nkagana butano
65%. What do you think has caused that, Robinson?
Kikizire kuletereza ebyo erimbeera yeturumeni lockdown nayo erumu na nebindi abaana okike bakwekala omuka soma actually lockdown mu byona eri lockdown
omwana warabona ikaramuka.
Yes.
Ugambeti lockdown omwana kwikaraka
alomuka
akufuna ata access ekuruga muka kugenda ku meetinga Joel mu center.
Ti kusobora aho Joel kiri nti abaana baitu bano tuba tubateemuka ubundi kisobora kubeera kizibu kukwata omwana okamugamba taluwato tagenda aka ate omwana mukuru bata kandi ololera kimu actually bitu ndikuwa obundi okusanga omwana gire haizibwa kuleta maizi ubundi abandi bakubikoraga bagundi abandi bagenzeri bamukusenya okuro ubundi agenzeri oba mu filimu so
achachi
buli bujunanizibwa atwate buli bujunanizibwa omuzayi kyonka buli bujunanizibwa omunayi Uganda
munyamasindi munyaoima munyakikube munyakiryandogo munyakagati
abo kuba kino nyenkya kiro wawe jweri kiro wange jweri kiro wodi
mu mutayi
okyetegereza kiro wange kiro wawe kiro wodi bugamba kitona tukukwata waho
kandi bagamba omwana weihanga
ono weihanga so buli bujunanizibwa bomusiwe ensi kurugayo okaija okakonyera omwana ogwo atakabaire kusisikala go
public newsroom
olikuba nikyoza henyuma ishe ya okunaga abana olikuwa office ya Masindi probation officer that is in its anity akatusobora henyuma awo in fact, not even 2 months back, not even a month, if I'm not mistaken, 3 weeks, akaba stranded in abana akabasatu.
Bana basatu.
Ababiri akabasanga office yayi.
Babana girohomba. At least that one I support it, it's okay. What mwana mnaga office ya watu ka.
Yes, then the government.
Then omu neighbor ya mulese.
Bakamulaga mwa neighbor. I also supported that.
Neighbor also disappeared. So the contract is in the songa zikwimuka. In most cases there are some family issues. Halo kusanga nto muzaire. Bako batabukira. All when agamba mwana wawe ngugo nesanga nakozereki. Atakwesobola nagenda. And what I'm saying, what we should do as leaders, LOC ones, by nakuandikisa abantu bana.
All the local people bona bakuijo bamanye
Joel apansize mwa Robinson Innocent obona apansize mwa Joel obondi Joel apansize mwa Innocent
akarugira ki bigago mwa kanyine nkuru abaza tinati then there you get
I would like to add on something small about what is telling us. Kuandika abantu abo kikuru muno kandi nekindi kingoza kuongera uti tuhandike n'abana bayinenda akyaro kyaitu at the village level
tiwarazara tumumontaring
yes
ati wera baye bino bisatu
like wekamu kimyezi esatu kuteka mu register ya
nti omwana tugeze ko ham production zaitu tugeze nti Montez azaire atwairenda enda ya Joel
tutegereze Montez ainenda
tukale tumontaringa
akora another issue eyo nakubaze ndungi tugwandwa issue ya kirasa musikibetaga kawona yabena akora one of the bus which I can't mention in the studios tukwanto muisiki after dumping the child in the toilet people were able namanya musikona kabainenda
itakiazuka
meaning that it's very important how much LOC ones may not be able after they do this work voluntarily, they are not paid at all. Wabata kusa monitoring what of the neighbors, what role have you played to ensure that it can fit?
By the way, this time round Kabaka Hamza chairman LOC one was very serious. He was monitoring. He had a meeting. Akatufuka meeting ya agenda ya the same stuff. Likewise, the other side.
So Florent no by na correct. So had been in the dance song gig. And in most cases what I'm saying, we need to have enough orphanages in this place.
Enough what?
Orphanage centers.
Yes.
Like in Masinda I know one which I can't mention here in the studios or Mutete Uganda. Varengi okola kurulira bana.
No, we have Maria. Bana ba Mwamajara.
Yes.
Maria and the team.
But you see it very overwhelmed. Our issues is rising amid this COVID-19. So what I'm saying, if we can do a bit of resolve, these issues can be solved. But I get solved by what? By human being. So kikin chiye kusaba ankabazaire tubone bana betu balingire koronge. No matter the situation we are in, ikuli government buli muntu wena aba kurungi ngakatanka kurungi. No. Life is a journey. Okusa kuzala umwana utakusa murolera muzale mukamanyi wakuzi.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Joel Kikasimire. I'm with the legendary journalist, that's Komiswa Robinson, and I'm with One Bliss Newsroom CEO, one of the online platform and correspondent of BISO FM. That's none other than Innocent Atuganyira. We are on an external broadcast about child negligence. These issues have been happening around Masindi and around some areas of Europe. So we are tackling those issues to see the way forward. How can we solve this? How can we forego these problems so that we ensure that the child right is emphasized? Robinson.
Yes.
This issue is going on.
Well,
what would you suggest the government can also do, as the government can also do to solve this?
Personally, what I would suggest for the government to do to sort out this challenge, this greatest challenge that is taking us in every corner. At least the government should provide some kind of grant, in form of loans. Yes, to these younger people, bana bakutwara
And before that,
Mr. Moderator, protect me from this gentleman. Protect me from him.
Let's first get a point from him.
Protect me from him. Yes. So, kusaba government etungireyo grant, etungireyo sente akiri. No wera bitali government, esobola kuba nani governmental project. Zitungireyo sente okusupporting abaana bano. Abaana bakutwaraga enda nibenda kuzaala abaana batali babo. Tubatungireyo obusente obutito obukubemerezaho batukubateera mu business actually tibo nubwo kujiranizibwa bwaitu sente zo ziroho jwere tukazirobingira sente ziroho ka Sabra Enterprises yakazitekaho 200 millions kuzigenda kwani ziraninga hano mu region yaitu hano kyokati tukabaire ku bantu malira ebikwetagisa kutandika
omuntu wa hansi akuruka bigando ajja kuba nakimanya ta Robinson first what you say
yes nikyongeza okusobola nti omuntu wa hansi agenda kukimanya ati bitu ebenyini buli bujulanizibwa bwaitunga Sabra Enterprises actually nkoranka credit manager mu Sabra Enterprises abwire buno ngenda buli bujulanizibwa bwaitu kugeza okusomesa abantu actually tugenda kikolera at the sub county level tulika sub county level sub county
ni batwara a
parish level then parish nyega kutwara at the village level finding out banaki abatwaire enda mu bwire buno bwabanaki abatwaire enda mu bwire bwatakai bwire bategondezemu ntulo mwana ngwara abatwaire enda tugya kumukonyera kumara mwezi mwenda ago nende egitu mukonyere tuta.
Don't you think that will lead abana bandi kwandi batware enda?
No tikikuja kuba kityo
abokubanye nja kuba ndi kumita ne kumita paraffin ntwa infunaka senta ko kweyamba
Joel kinkwendo utegereze nti abana bano abakukira kutwarenda bakwitwaraga batagondeze tikuli kugonza kwabo tikubaga mutima
innocent.
What I'm saying I had an issue that was really inching me and the bottom of my heart. What I'm saying, yes, it's good the government to fund such people, but I'm also saying the other way around. Instead of kulindo kabutaru kajanja bikihoja, aki kitangizo kitakora
prevention is better than cure.
So nikionkurora, however much government is also doing great. Kuba imeuga zikaija. YLP, YL Manya,
Youth Livelihood
Funds, Kaija. So government is doing what it can to improve the livelihood of the citizens. But as parents, we shouldn't look at the government. Who's government? You are government, I'm government, it's government.
Everybody
is a government. So let us play our roles. Although the government is coming up to support us, but it haven't target.
But what I can say, like before the government comes in to support, ask yourself, as a Ugandan, what have I done? What have you done? What have you done before calling for a government? Before calling for a non-governmental to come in? What have you done? You as an individual.
What role have you played?
Yes, you as an individual.
You should first play a role.
Yes.
Before you seek the government to come in.
Before you seek for a government.
And
just
and also in most cases, kusanga abazairi when mwana wo muziki and you know the age of 14, 12, 13, more kwa gukora ki ngoyindwa when the body is developing and usangati I know there's some gap between a girl child and the mother. Omuzairi atakusa kwikaza omwana waye tukula nkera buli bahimba gebyota baya abesenkuru baita bontu
nasoroza abana bona nibabasoroza
on education akina kintu kiti
mu myaka y'ensanju ebitaro obwire bunu.
And another issue also alokusanga abana ali bakusisikaga mu cases most lockdown okusanga omwana ala TV from morning to evening.
Not only that, ala WhatsApp ana mu blue move
now
watching
ndosangati omwana is not regulated ebindi bya kuchinga TV. However much the cartoons, and cartoons okusanga correct because the cartoons and these movies they ultimately they change them to what cartoon form. So no kusanga tikizi kukirao. What I'm saying mostly parents, let us regulate our children. Mostly.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can see Davi and the team also commanding. They need to see where Lisa Newsroom they're going in for the next broadcast live in the next news hour. I think let's just give her a last word because those guys are already serious. What's your last say, Innocent?
Innocent Tuganyira, the CEO and founder of Lisa Newsroom. So nyakinja kusaba zaidi. Tuone ngo bana betu bali Kurungi and just during this era of COVID-19 because that's the future. kasanga natwala under 30, it will take him a hard time to do what? To recover. That's all.
Mwaso banzo gambe, and that's how they say banzo were bazaire. Banzo were bazaire. They should take charge. They should be serious of the children. In Lugungu, we see.
Yeah, so because in Kawazai it's our responsibility.
Banzo were Lugungu.
Wanango vanatukulikyani balindiri because this is their future and also your future. Kasanga byala mwana mugwangu mwana tasomero mwana tena kyakora wokuza kona hona mezo. So we let us do what it can to look after our children. In
Robinson, what's your last to say as we are coming the end of this program?
Actually, Joel, what I can tell you is simple. That my last say actually, what my brothers been telling us, it is a take home at Love One. Actually, my brother has given me a lot. I've learned a lot from him. So, actually, your points are take home to where I'm working. We're gonna do whatever it takes to improve your points. We need to put them in practicals.
Into actions.
And yes, we need to put them into actions. We take a way forward because really
the warning is too much. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joel Tikasimire Akiki Omuswazima Omwana Waka with one legendary journalist, that's Robinson Komuiswa, and the one CEO of Blissa Newsroom and the correspondent of BSO FM, that is Atuganyura Innocent. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Before you do something also, remember what are the consequences of this thing. How is it going to affect me? How is it going to be in the other section? How will somebody feel it? How will somebody think about it? Think twice before you do it. So we take the charge. We shall come up with the other people. I remind you, we shall have the Women League, the chairperson, that is Evelyn. We shall have the chairperson. We shall have Brian, the coordinator for the youth. We shall have a lot of them. Even some of the journalists, we shall have even those from BSO. The is called who? Chazo, something like that. Rise Christ, we shall have him here with us in the studio. Once again, I'd like to say thank you so much for being live with us. Till we meet again in the next session. May God bless you.